This oil disguised as cream is extremely unhealthy. Keep your kids away from such tasty things which are poor on nutrition and high on calories. Try to go for non-creamy items like fruit cakes. They're still better if you choose high-quality ones. Only on very specific occasions pick these creamy things like cakes, pastries, cream roll or croissants. Best is to make them at home if you're fond of cooking and baking. Or go for seasonal homely sweets like gajar ka halwa, rice kheer, bisan ka laddu or malpua. Fake products, fake cakes, unhygienic food, Indian junk food, dirty cooking. Commercial bakery products, especially cream-filled cakes and pastries, often replace real dairy cream with hydrogenated vegetable fats, oils disguised as cream, to reduce costs and extend shelf life. Health risks of commercial bakery products: high trans fat content. These vegetable-based creams are typically made from partially hydrogenated oils, margarine or shortening, which are high in trans fats that significantly increase the risk of cholesterol buildup and heart attacks. Poor nutrition. Mass-produced baked goods are calorie-dense but nutritionally poor, often containing artificial colors, preservatives, like sodium benzoate, and chemical stabilizers. Hygiene and safety. Industrial cream-filled pastries are prone to microbial contamination, e.g., Staphylococcus aureus, E. coli, listeria, if not stored at strict refrigeration temperatures, which can lead to food poisoning. Healthier alternatives: fruit cakes. High-quality fruit cakes using fresh berries, mangoes, or apples provide natural vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants, and generally contain fewer calories, roughly 80 to 90 per slice, compared to cream cakes, up to 400 calories. Homely sweets. Traditional seasonal sweets like gajar ka halwa, rice kheer, and bisan ka laddu are often considered more nourishing because they typically use whole ingredients like pure milk, ghee, jaggery, and nuts. Homemade baking. Making treats at home allows you to substitute refined flour with whole wheat or almond flour and replace hydrogenated oils with healthier fats like butter, olive oil, or fruit purees. Recommendations for 2025: check labels. Avoid products listing hydrogenated vegetable fat, vanaspati, or margarine in their ingredients.
केक्स पे लगने वाली ये क्रीम असल में क्रीम नहीं, हाइड्रोजनेटेड फैट यानी जमा हुआ तेल है। वेलकम टू डे 23 ऑफ स्पॉटिंग फेक प्रोडक्ट्स इन योर हाउस। ये क्रीम जो केक्स और पेस्ट्रीज पे लगी होती है वो हाइड्रोजनेटेड वेजिटेबल फैट होता है, जिसे मार्गरीन भी बोला जाता है। खाने में टेस्टी होती है लेकिन कोलेस्ट्रॉल और हार्ट अटैक का रिस्क बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ा देती है। एक्चुअल क्रीम या बटर से बने फ्रेश केक्स बाजार में महंगे मिलते हैं और बहुत कम दुकानदार इन्हें बनाते हैं। जब भी आप पैकेज्ड केक, रोल, पेस्ट्री या कोई और क्रीम वाला आइटम लें तो इंग्रेडिएंट्स में हाइड्रोजनेटेड फैट, वेजिटेबल ऑयल, वनस्पति या मार्गरीन को जरूर चेक करें। हो सके तो ऐसे आइटम सिर्फ स्पेशल दिनों पर ही खाएं, जैसे बर्थडे और एनिवर्सरी, और उन्हीं जगहों से ऑर्डर करें जहां के इंग्रेडिएंट्स पर आपको ट्रस्ट हो। टेस्ट के चक्कर में अपनी और अपने बच्चों की हेल्थ से खिलवाड़ न करें। ये वीडियो ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करें और फॉलो करें।
Promoting healthier swaps like dark chocolate, real fruit juices, and whole ingredient mixes. Key concerns in the message: oil disguised as cream. The cream in many biscuits and bakery items isn't dairy cream but vegetable oils, fats, like hydrogenated oils, that are unhealthy. High calories, low nutrition. These treats are calorie-dense but lack essential nutrients, leading to health problems like obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. Hidden ingredients. Processed snacks often contain high sugar, trans fats, artificial colors, and preservatives, even if they taste good. Fake health claims. Products marketed as healthy, like fruit-flavored items, can still be loaded with sugar and unhealthy oils. Healthier alternatives and tips. Read labels. Check ingredient lists for palm oil, maida, refined flour, and excessive sugar. Prioritize real ingredients. Swap processed for whole foods. Choose fresh fruits, homemade sweets, like gajar ka halwa, kheer, ladus, or dark chocolate over sugary treats. Occasional treats. Reserve creamy cakes and pastries for very specific occasions, not daily consumption. DIY is best. Making treats at home allows control over ingredients, avoiding artificial additives and unhealthy fats. Hydration. Opt for water or fresh juice instead of sugary sodas. In 2025, choosing between oil and butter depends on the desired texture and longevity of your cake. Oil-based cakes are generally moister and remain soft at room temperature because oil is liquid, while butter-based cakes offer superior flavor and a sturdier structure but can become firm when cold. How to choose or substituting oil for butter. Use a 3:4 to 1 ratio. For 1 cup of butter, use 3/4 cup of oil. This is ideal for carrot or chocolate cakes where other bold flavors dominate. Substituting butter for oil. Use a 1:1 ratio. Melt and cool the butter to room temperature before adding it to the recipe. Best of both worlds. Many professional 2025 recipes suggest a 50/50 mix, e.g., using 65g oil and 235g butter for a 300g total fat base to gain the flavor of butter with the moisture of oil. Key differences in baking results: texture. Butter creates tiny air pockets during creaming, leading to a light, fluffy, and sturdy cake. Oil produces a more even, tender, and melt-in-your-mouth crumb. Storage. Oil-based cakes stay moist for up to 5 days at room temperature. Butter cakes are best eaten fresh or at room temperature, as they can dry out or harden in the fridge. Flavor. Butter provides a rich, classic taste essential for vanilla cakes. Neutral oils, like vegetable or canola, allow other ingredients to shine. Fake baked oil decorating. If your query refers to fake bakes, creating non-edible decorative cakes base. Use styrofoam cake dummies icing. Instead of real frosting, use lightweight spackle mixed with paint for a permanent, realistic look. Assembly. Use piping gel or royal icing to glue tiers together. Characteristics of high-quality cakes. A premium cake is distinguished by specific physical and sensory attributes. Superior ingredients. High-end cakes use fresh dairy, milk, cream, high-quality butter for complex flavor, and premium elements like Belgian chocolate, Madagascar vanilla, or single-origin cocoa. Perfect texture. The crumb should be soft, even, and moist without being crumbly or dense. It should have a soft, velvety feel that melts easily. Balanced flavor. Professional bakers aim for a middle ground where sweetness complements rather than overpowers other flavors, often using natural sweeteners like honey or maple syrup. Precise presentation. Quality is visible in smooth frosting, clean edges, uniform layer thickness, and symmetrical shape. Freshness. Top-tier cakes are typically baked to order in small batches rather than mass-produced, ensuring they stay moist longer without preservatives.